Hello guys, welcome back. In our previous lecture video, we have gone through what are the topics that we are going to cover in this entire series, and I have given a little bit background about Quant Alpha, how you can reach out to Quant Alpha if you need any kind of technology services or solution for your trading. In this video, we are going to cover the basic understanding of HFT or high frequency trading and how it works. So high frequency trading is a type of algorithmic trading that uses super fast computers and complex code to execute thousands of trades in a fraction of a second. So what exactly this means? So this means HFT firms, they execute trade very fast. Within fraction of second, they execute thousands of trades. That simply means it's a pure technology games. The more and more sophisticated technology and infrastructure HFT firm use, they can execute the trade very fast. So let's understand the entire process with an example. Let's say this is an exchange. So I'm just trying to explain these things. Let's say this is New York Stock Exchange, and these are small HFT firms. This is one HFT firms. This is one HFT firm, and this is another HFT firms. So I'm just saying for an example, let's say this is Citadel, this is anyone, let's say jump trading, and this one is, let's say, Graviton. Okay, so I'm just trying to explain you how this works. Okay, all right. Now what happen is generally all the informations and all the data from any exchange, so that comes to all these trading firms, and that should reach at the same time. There will be no time delay, or there will be no faster way to reach the data or information from the exchange to these HFT firms. Okay, now so let's say take an example, try to understand this. So I'm just explaining these things as simple way as I can. So let's say the data is coming from NYSE and reaching to Citadel, and here the same goes to Graviton as well, and same goes to here jump trading. Okay, now what is happening here is the data or information that is coming from New York Stock Exchange, and they're directly coming to Citadel and jump trading and Graviton research, right? Now once the data reach to these high frequency trading firms, so the time that reach to these guys will be exactly same time. There will be no delay. I mean, there is no time difference. Let's say take an example, Citadel is getting the data at 1 p.m. and jump trading will get the data at 2 p.m. No, it's not like that. If Citadel is getting the data at 1 p.m., the exactly same time jump trading will also get. So now the question is, if all these firms are getting the information or data at the same time, then the question is, whoever will process the data faster, or whoever will take the decision faster, he will be the beneficiary, right? Because if, let's say, take an example, jump trading is using a very sophisticated technology, which is, processing is very fast, and the decision making thing is very fast. Then he is placing a order to New York Stock Exchange to buy or sell. Then obviously jump trading is placing the order fast. So here is pure latency game. So let's understand what is the latency now. So I'm just trying to explain you. So once the data is reached here, they will process, and then they will instruct the exchange to buy or sell their stocks or any instruments. Now, so let's say I'm just trying to explain a very basic architecture. Let's say in jump trading, here is one called, you can say that, market data application. This is called market data application. Okay, so this is your market data application. Okay, then one more is, let's say, here is your, you can say, trading strategy application. This is trading strategy application. And one more application is order management, or you can say order application. Okay, so one is your market data, one is your trading strategy, then one is your order app, right? So the process will go very simple, from market data to trading strategy, then it will go to order app, and from here it will instruct this information to your NYSE or New York Stock Exchange. Okay, so the same thing goes to here as well. So let's say it's coming here, and also let's say is coming here as well. Okay, so basically what is happening here is, I'm trying to, like, this one, you can say it is coming here, and then again it's coming from here to here. All right, so now let's say the data, tick by tick data, is coming from New York Stock Exchange to market data of jump trading, and then there are system engineers. They are doing some kind of cleaning the data, processing the data, and all kind of things. Now once that is done, they will, then they are the trading strategies. Let's say they are the quant researcher or the quant traders are there, who will use those data and take a decision to whether to buy or sell or hold the position, and they instruct to the order management part, which is ordering app, and from there they will instruct this to New York Stock Exchange, whether they want to buy or they want to sell or whatever. Now if all these process what is happening, like let's say market data app, trading strategy app, or order app. There are so many other things are there inside that. I'm not getting into all these things now, but I'm just making it so simple so that you can understand the basic of a high frequency trading, how it works. Now all these things that is happening inside a high frequency trading farms, that is happening in a very very fast way. So now the question is, whoever will do this is a very fast and take a decision and instruct the exchange, he will be the beneficiary, right? So now it's a pure technology game. Now the question is, if all these things whatever we are using here, if we'll do everything on a server in the exchange itself, then it will be very fast. So we call that as a co-location, right? In the next video anyway, we are going to talk about the technology behind HFT and how the co-location and all is using. But right now I'm just explaining how this is works. So this is basically a basic infrastructure, that how this is works and how the HFT people works. In the next video I will tell you what is the technology that they are using, whether it's a co-location or any kind of how the market data feeds is happening. There are so many technology that they are using, and I'm going to explain all the technologies that how they are using it. So thank you so much for watching this. See you in the next video.